Why do some people find it impossible to sleep if there are dirty dishes in the sink, while others feel perfectly comfortable living amidst a total mess? Cleanliness is far more than just a daily habit or a boring chore. It is a silent and profound language spoken by the human mind every day. It reflects our internal state and how we choose to interact with the world around us. Let us explore the deep psychology behind this common daily ritual. The visual contrast between chaos and order is striking. Our brains are hardwired to seek patterns and predictability in the environments where we spend our time. When our surroundings are in disarray, our minds often follow suit. The external clutter acts as a constant, nagging distraction for our primary cognitive processing abilities. Taking a deep breath in a clean space feels different. It provides a sense of mental relief that allows us to finally relax and lower our guards. This feeling of peace is not accidental. It is the result of a deliberate effort to create a sanctuary away from the unpredictable noise of the world. Think of your home as a theater stage. Every object is a prop that tells a story about who you are and what you value most. We are the directors of our own lives. By arranging our physical stage, we are preparing ourselves for the performance that we call our daily existence. When the stage is set correctly, we feel more confident. We are no longer fighting against our environment, but rather moving in perfect harmony with it. Your house is the physical manifestation of your mind's architecture. The way you organize your drawers is often the way you organize your very thoughts. When we scrub away the dirt from our windows, we are metaphorically clearing the fog from our own perceptions and our long-term vision for the future. This act of external cleaning is a powerful psychological tool. It helps us regain a sense of internal order when everything else feels completely out of control. Minimalism in architecture reflects a desire for mental clarity. It removes the unnecessary to make room for what truly matters in the journey of our lives. In these spaces, there is nowhere for stress to hide. The simplicity of the environment encourages a much deeper level of introspection and personal growth today. Life is inherently unpredictable and often chaotic. We face economic shifts, social pressures, and emotional waves that we simply cannot influence or control at all. However, we can control the cleanliness of our own homes. This small domain becomes our primary source of agency and power in an uncertain world. Every surface we clean is a small victory for order. It is a way of proving to ourselves that we are still the masters of our environment. Tidiness acts as a lighthouse in the dark. It provides a fixed, stable point of reference that keeps us from drifting into the sea of anxiety. Without this structure, the chaos of life can feel overwhelming. The ritual of cleaning helps us find our way back to our center when things get tough. By clearing our physical path, we clear our mental path as well. We are no longer tripping over the small things, allowing us to focus ahead. The modern world is a constant assault on our senses. We are bombarded with information, noise, and visual clutter from the moment we wake up each day. Returning to a clean home is the ultimate antidote to this urban noise. It is where we go to shed the weight of the outside world entirely. In this space, we are free to just be. The lack of chores waiting for us allows the mind to enter a state of deep, restorative rest. Dondep is not just about the result. It is about the process. It is a sensory ritual that brings us back to the present moment through touch. When you engage with the textures and temperatures of your home, you are practicing mindfulness. You are fully present in your body and your immediate surroundings. The rhythmic nature of cleaning can be incredibly soothing. It creates a flow state where the boundary between the person and the task begins to disappear. Think of it as a moving meditation. Each movement has a purpose, and each purpose leads to a clearer, more organized version of your own reality. We align our internal energy with our external environment. When the house is clean, the soul feels lighter, as if a heavy burden has been lifted. This synergy is the key to mental well-being. It turns a mundane activity into a sacred act of self-care and respect for our personal living space. Even the smallest details matter. Seeing the dust disappear under your cloth provides a small hit of dopamine, reinforcing the positive habit of being tidy. Biologically, our bodies respond to this order. Cortisol, the stress hormone, decreases when we are in a space that feels safe and well managed by us. Our nervous system relaxes, allowing for better digestion, deeper sleep, and improved cognitive function throughout the next day. The benefits are truly physical and mental. You feel light. You feel ready to take on the world because you know that your home base is secure and organized for your ultimate success. But we must be careful of the extremes. There's a fine line between a love for order and a paralyzing obsession with perfection in our homes. Don't let your home become a metaphorical Titanic. Don't spend all your energy polishing the brass when there are much larger icebergs looming in your life. Sometimes we use cleaning as a way to avoid facing our real problems. It is easier to scrub a floor than to have a difficult conversation. We must ensure that our tidiness serves us rather than us becoming a slave to it. True health lies in knowing when enough is finally enough. A home is meant to be a place of life, not just a museum. A little bit of mess can be a sign of creativity and joy. The crumbs of a shared meal or the toys of a happy child are the fingerprints of a life well lived. These should be embraced, not feared. Balance is everything. We strive for a home that is clean enough to be healthy, but messy enough to be warm and full of human connection. This balance allows us to enjoy the benefits of a tidy space without the stress of maintaining an impossible standard of perfection in our daily lives. At the end of the day, your home is your sanctuary. It should be a place that nourishes your soul and supports your unique journey through life. Open the windows and let the fresh air in. Let the space breathe, just as you allow yourself to breathe and grow every single day. The act of cleaning is an act of self-respect. It is a way of saying that you deserve to live in a place of beauty and peace. So, what does your home say about you today? Is it a true reflection of the person you want to be and the life you want? Every small change you make to your environment is a step toward a better mental state. Start with just one drawer, one shelf, or one room. The feeling of accomplishment you get from a simple task can propel you forward into much larger challenges with a newfound sense of confidence and power. Sleep comes easier in a room that is at rest. Your mind can finally turn off, knowing that everything is exactly where it should be tonight. What does your home say about you today? Does it invite you to rest, or does it demand more of your limited and precious daily energy? Cleanliness is a gift you give to yourself. It is the foundation of a healthy mind and a joyful life in a very complicated and noisy world. I am Apex, and I want to thank you for listening. Please share your own cleaning stories and psychological insights in the comments below for us. Until next time, remember that a tidy home is a tidy mind. Take care of your space, and it will surely take care of you. Knowledge only gains value when it is shared. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on future insights.